I start in my morning, run, walk under the sun, and then making sure the body is pretty amazing to feel, and all the stretching. The best part is like being connected with the earth. Earthing is really important under the sun, earthing under the sun, which will inhale and exhale from your nose. That's the way, really. I know, like, because it's really important for your face shape and everything. A lot of people who like just like, it's not the way. You have a nose to breathe, you know. Don't be like a dog, you know. I see some of those people who do breath work and try to do that. They try to breathe from the mouth. That's not the way to do the right way of breath work. You inhale and exhale. And if you want to do a power session, morning breath work and the morning session and how it feels and overall this is really important. Guys, try to do this one. Connect with the nature more often. If you are sick or if you have any sort of things that you want to feel amazing, and if you're a person who's a real nomad, real entrepreneur working from PCs in front of the digital devices all day long, try to be in the nature and being this self and being earth. No slippers, no nothing. Like, I'll show it to you, right? Like, you have to be really grounded yourself, which will give you the most amazing overall feeling to feel good throughout the day, because it has a power. A lot of people like, just do that one. It's going to feel you tremendously awesome. Since I started practicing those things, actually, I started really practicing those things during the time of COVID and the lockdowns and stuff, because being at home mostly, and then I really dive deep to like how to feel tremendously awesome, healthy, have the best energy all the time, the peak energy level, how to recharge your energies, because that's really important. That's what's going to get you to live an amazing life, no matter what you have. If you have the energy is good, your life is good, you're happy at the state, you sleep really well, your digestion is good, your connections, your people, all those things have to happen. So, yogi tips for this morning. It's a beautiful day in the morning in Essex, United Kingdom. And yesterday I was in seeing a little bit of Southend, seaside, seeing it, going to the beach, feeling that magnesium and the electrolyte, like magnetic waves, which feels really calming. Try to go in the sea. One thing, the water wasn't that actually really good, but yeah, that is the thing about some people should be looking after your own country, United Kingdom, gotta look after that one. So that's today's message from the Yogi Morning. How you start your morning helps you to really do an amazing work and feel throughout the day really awesome, because that's what at the end of the day matters. Breathe, hold the breath, feel it inside. When you take a you hold the breath inside, you really charge yourself, all the cells, the head, all those things has to happen. As I said, do some breath work. It's another beautiful day.